Nice.
And you got today. Oh, come on, he knows them. He knows them. Yeah, that's okay, work through it. He just
There you
hasn't
go.
done you guys in so long.
It's fine.
No one's ever done it. Really scared of him.
Hey, Anna, slow your timing down just a little bit. I think you're getting ahead of him.
Okay. And usually he'll get ahead of you, but he's confused now.
Okay. Just try to do just a couple. There you go. Good. That's. I think you were getting a little too quick with your legs.